So today we're going through the new Morphe Chroma Plus collection. They sent me this last week. I am so excited for this because it's been so long since I've had any parcels, PR packages, anything from Morphe, and to receive something so big and with so many palettes in is an absolute dream, because using the same palettes over and over again I think is really halting my creativity and just ability to be able to do any makeup. So we've got six pan eyeshadow palettes and 4 12-pan palettes. I am really excited about this collection because of the molten like shades. Amazing, gorgeous. So let's go through them. I have actually swatched them all on my Instagram, so they are a bit, you know, you can tell they're being used, swatched, whatever, so don't mind the mess of them. But looking beyond that, we're looking at the shades, we're looking at the consistency, the texture, the formula. Beautiful! The 2 shades in the middle of each palette are molten like shades where you can apply dry for diffused luminous effects or apply wet for detailed molten like shades. Shine, sorry. So we have Python Code, Cyberchrome, Outer Spice, Love Bite, Rich Glitch and Sky-Fi. The 12-pan palette, we have Flickering Sands, Rose Frequency, Moonstone and Electric Current. These new eyeshadows claim to be pigment-packed performance for high-impact colour in a single swipe, all-day crease-proof wear with no creasing or fading, luxurious blendability and buildability for non-patchy seamless application, which we love, and a silky smooth feel. So let's see if it does as it claims. This collection also features new solo artist priming cream eyeshadows. So let's have a look at those shades. Mixtape, Setlist, Remix, Airplay, Melody, Chorus, Debut. These are 7 powerfully pigmented cream to powder single eyeshadows. They claim to be universally flattering, buildable, blendable shades that include priming ingredients for all day wear, waterproof and crease proof. So my face is prepped and primed and ready to go. I love greens on brown eyes. It just makes them stand out and look so beautiful. So we're going to use the Python Code palette. This is the finished look. We are serving some snake-like glam. The time is 1:34 and I'm going to check back in at the end of the day and see how it wears. So far it's been about 2 hours and my makeup has not budged a single bit. Usually it's fading and it's creasing on the lids. I'm amazed with this palette. It is unlike anything I've ever tried. It's not creasing, it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look dry, textured. It just looks stunning. My makeup is staying put so far and I don't think it's going to budge all day, but we're going to check. We'll see. Morphe, you did that. I also forgot to say, but I used the new Solo Artist Priming Cream eyeshadow in shade Airplay. We're back with a check-in. It is now over 8 hours since I applied my makeup and it looks this good. Like, what is going on? I have never in my over 5 years of doing makeup come across a base better than P. Louise. This is up there, way up there. It's now been over 8 hours since I applied my eyeshadow. Can we just? This priming cream eyeshadow from Morphe is 10 out of 10. My eyeshadow has not budged. For the last 8 hours, it has looked the exact same as it did when I first applied it. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. Shock. I will put all the prices and any extra information in the description. Next time, I think we're going to be reviewing some NARS stuff because I got the new Hot Escape collection and you're going to have to wait, but you're not going to want to miss it. Like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Thank you for joining me. See you again, hopefully, in my next video. Love you, bye. Mwah.